I hate spending money. Backpacking is expensive. I'm gonna save you money, and I'm gonna save you in weight. I'm getting so sick and tired of how expensive backpacking is getting. So over the weekend, I went to REI just to check out some of the prices, and I'm actually looking at some shoes. And I was looking at the food section, and the mountain homes, these things cost about, yes, we call them mountain homes on this channel. They cost about between $15. So I was thinking to myself, I need to make a budget video and try to save you some money and also make a video. So this right here is the Big Sky International Cooking Pouch, and I've been using this for about 7 years. Took it on my Colorado thru hike, and it weighs 1.5 ounces, and it's reusable. So what you want to do is first you're going to boil some water, and then once you take that hot water, you put it into a little bag. Make sure that it's a freeze bag, and you're going to have ramen noodles, maybe couscous, mashed potatoes. Put it into your cooking pouch, and this is going to act like a little insulation, and sit there for about 10-15 minutes, and you're going to have a hot meal afterwards. So it's going to save you, for one, it's going to save you a lot of money, because instead of buying mountain homes that are about $10-15, you're going to buy like ramen noodles or couscous or mashed potatoes, which is about $1 each. And it's also going to save you in weight. Why? Because you're not going to be using as much fuel. All you have to do is get one boil. That takes about 2 to 3 minutes, right? So you don't have to keep this thing going while heating up your food. Like ramen noodles usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. So less fuel and less money. So my next ticket item that I really enjoy, right here, 1 ounce camp stoves. And this inspired me by, I was at REI about 2 years ago, and this lady was asking me, what camp stove should I get? And I almost laughed to myself, because everything that they have at REI is about between $100 and $45. These things only cost about $13-16, and they weigh 1 ounce. This brand right here is a BRS camp stove, and this is the FOME, and this is actually the one I've been using for many years, and my girlfriend, she's been using this one for about 2 years. So whatever you do not buy that jet boil. To me, that is the biggest gimmick. I know they always try to sell you that, and it's the biggest ticket item over there, almost at $150, but it weighs about a pound. Okay, this weighs 1 ounce. And if you can go ahead and justify it, and if you want to be that person sitting around a campfire talking to your friends, say you can boil water the fastest, buy it. Okay, go for it. But I'll take this over the jet boil all day, every day. Okay, that's a waste of money. Please don't buy it. I'm not going to say anything more. All right, my next item that I'll really like to talk about is this right here. Okay, I actually don't even know the name. They don't sell it at REI, and I usually have to find it on Amazon. And this thing weighs only a couple grams, and it's going to help your Sawyer. If you have a Sawyer, all you do is just put this thing on, and it's going to help you with your gravity system. So you're going to get your dirty water, put it into your bag, attach it to your Sawyer, and then you're going to take this adapter and connect it to your clean water bottle, and then you're just going to hang it on a tree, and you're going to have a gravity system. And the thing that I like about a gravity system is it allows you to do other stuff while you're doing one of the chores that you need to do. Like you can go and hang a bear bag. You can go ahead and set up your tent. You can go and maybe like wash your face or something. So I really enjoy this, and this only costs about $3, and it weighs a couple grams. If you like videos like this, I plan on making more videos because I think it's important to share some of the less expensive stuff the stuff that doesn't get enough attention than like the big ticket items like a backpack or a tent. I'm gonna make more videos like this. Well, again, this is Coach Bill 3 and 5, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, buddy.